Whether you're upgrading your entryway with a stylish new door or replacing an old, worn-out door to improve your home's security and energy efficiency, door installation is a significant home improvement project. In Redmond, where the climate can vary from rainy winters to dry summers, choosing the right door and ensuring it is installed properly is essential for long-term performance. If you're considering a door installation for your Redmond home, you may have some questions about what to expect. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand the process, from choosing the door to the final installation, so you can be fully prepared. Choosing the right door for your home. Before the installation process begins, you'll first need to choose the right door for your home. There are many types of doors available, including entry doors, sliding patio doors, French doors, and storm doors, each with unique features to suit different needs. In Redmond, homeowners often prioritize doors that provide excellent insulation, security, and durability. The material of your door is another important factor. Wood offers a traditional, warm aesthetic, but requires more maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors are durable, energy efficient, and require less upkeep. Glass doors or French doors offer a stylish look and allow more natural light into your home. Take into account your home's style, your specific needs, e.g., security, insulation, ease of access, and your budget. Your door contractor can guide you in selecting the best option based on these factors. Measuring and preparing for installation. Once you've selected your door, the next step is to take precise measurements. The door installer will take measurements of your existing door frame to ensure that your new door fits perfectly. If your current door frame is damaged or doesn't meet the required size, additional work may be needed, such as framing or adjusting the door opening. Your installer may also inspect the door frame for issues like rot, mold, or structural damage. If repairs are necessary, they will inform you and discuss how to address these problems before the new door is installed. The goal is to ensure a snug fit for your new door, as gaps or poor sealing can lead to energy loss and drafts. Preparing your home for installation day. Before installation day, there are a few simple steps you can take to make the process go smoothly. Clear the area around the door to provide easy access for the installers. If the door is in a high traffic area, remove any furniture or objects that might be in the way. You should also be prepared for some noise and minor disruptions during the installation. The installers will need to remove the old door, which might involve removing hardware and possibly making adjustments to the frame. It's a good idea to make arrangements for pets or small children to be out of the work area during the installation. The door installation process. On the day of installation, the installers will arrive with the necessary tools and materials. Here's what you can expect during the installation process. Removing the old door. The first step will be to carefully remove your old door. If it's an entry door, the installer will carefully take out the door and frame, checking for any structural damage in the process. If your frame needs to be repaired or replaced, this will happen at this stage. Preparing the new door frame. If the door frame is in good condition, the new door will be carefully measured and adjusted to ensure a secure fit. If any structural repairs are needed, such as reinforcing the frame or adjusting the door opening, the installer will take care of these repairs before moving forward. Installing the new door. Once everything is prepared, your new door will be hung. The installer will make sure that the door operates smoothly, checking for proper alignment and clearance. They will also ensure that the door opens and closes properly, without rubbing or being difficult to move. Sealing and insulation. The final step of installation is to ensure that the door is properly sealed and insulated. This is crucial for preventing drafts, water infiltration, and improving the energy efficiency of your home. The installer will check the weather stripping, sealant, and hardware to make sure everything is in place. Final inspection and cleanup. Once your door is installed, the installer will conduct a final inspection to make sure everything is functioning properly. They'll check that the door swings open and close smoothly, the locks work properly, and there are no gaps or issues with the seal. After the inspection, the installer will clean up the work area, removing any debris, packaging, or old materials. The only thing left will be your beautiful new door. Post-installation care. After installation, it's important to follow any care instructions provided by the installer to ensure your door lasts for many years. For example, wood doors may require periodic resealing or staining to protect them from moisture, while fiberglass doors generally require less maintenance. Additionally, regularly check the door's hardware, such as hinges, handles, and locks, to ensure they remain in good working order. Conclusion. Door installation in Redmond is a straightforward process, but proper planning and preparation are key to ensuring a smooth experience. From selecting the right door to installation day, understanding each step can help you feel confident in your decision. Whether you're replacing an old door for better insulation, security, or simply updating the style of your home, new doors can have a transformative effect. With professional installation, you can enjoy a functional, attractive entryway or patio door that enhances your home's comfort and value for years to come.